Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicola. I do everything relating to the Disney parks and Universal parks and everything in between. Things related to Disney, Universal, i.e. Harry Potter and everything. So you can expect things like hauls or unboxings, etc. on this channel. Okay, so in today's video I'm unboxing or unbagging a Loungefly backpack bag, and it's a bargain, let me tell you. Whenever I see a Loungefly that I like that is at a bargain price, I have to buy it. No questions asked. Buy when you see them at those prices. So here it is, a little sneak peek. Probably already guessed what it is. It is, let's open this up. Okay. Oh. Is the Harry Potter school uniform bag. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, I love myself a bag. I love Loungefly bags. They're just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's take this bit of cardboard off. Okay, let's have a nice close-up look. Okay, so first of all, like, oh, love this detail here. Just the maroony kind of colour under the zip. That is a lovely detail. I love gold hardware on bags. Yeah, this just says Loungefly on the chunky zip. I love the texture to all the different materials used here. Really good quality. H. Potter, beautifully stitched. Again, the maroon kind of burgundy colour on that, and then oh, that's so nice there. Harry Potter, the little scar symbol. It's nice and jangly. Love that. Then you have the Gryffindor crest badge, which is beautiful. And on the other side, you've got Harry Potter Loungefly label. It always looks so good quality as well. Oh, yeah, that is stunning. Okay, let me take these off as well, so you can get a good look at the straps. Love these straps as well, how they're so padded and thick. Yeah, and then all the gold accents all over as well. That is just a lovely. I don't actually have a black Loungefly base colour, so that's quite cool. I like getting different varieties of Loungefly as well, so that they, so I feel like I'm getting a good variety. Okay, let's check out the lining inside, because we all know Loungefly do some amazing lining. My goodness. So much packing material, which is good to keep the shape. Even the tissue paper inside of these Loungefly bags is pretty. Details. Woohoo. Okay. Beautiful. Love it. The Gryffindor striped colours of that goldy, yellowy and that maroony kind of colour. What a lovely contrast. I mean, just look at that. So happy with this bag. Okay, and inside the zip, You always get these foam stuffer and they were a nightmare to get out. Oh my goodness. Okay, struggle. Okay, it's coming. It's coming. Okay. Ugh. Well, that is so jam-packed in there. I do not know how they get that many to start with. Okay. And the front pocket. Black on the back. And then as you can see, the top bit there's lined. And the front part of the pocket also lined in the same material as inside the bag. Oh, it just goes so well. Love seeing that detail. Ah, beautiful. Okay, so now to the nitty gritty. Okay, so I saw this bag on Amazon and it was selling for £32. £32! Ah, absolute bargain. Bargain. Love this bag so much. Okay. I'm so excited. It's ridiculous. Oh, but this is so going to be worn in the Universal parks the next time we go, which we are booked to go to Universal and Disney for December this year, 2020. But with everything going on, we're not too sure if it's going to happen or not. We are waiting for September to see if we can go or not. Is that the cut-off point to reschedule our trip or not? Okay, but it's so simple in design, the colours and everything, but it really works. And it's just stunning in person. I mean, I think you can tell anyway on the screen that just looks beautiful. And it's great for those people that don't like crazy, too much colours and details going on. Super subtle. Yeah, I'm really happy with this bag. And again, another peek. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so nice. Anyway, yeah, so this is like a minimum £60, but they go for £70. You see the prices for as well. So £60 to £70 bags is the typical kinds of prices for Loungefly, maybe even more for certain ones. But £32. Ah, crazy, crazy good deal. I get very excited about bags, so that's why I'm just obsessing over this. Oh, bags. Yeah, so on Amazon, this bag is being sold for this price, £32. So the Amazon seller name that was coming up was Menkind at the time, so which is a shop, which is an online shop, and they're actually selling this bag for more on their website than they are on the Amazon site. So it's always worth looking around, checking the eBay stores of these people or the shops, and checking the Amazon stores of the shops as well. Oh, just look at that. It's like a piece of, that is like a piece of jewellery. Loving how it reflects in the light. Beautiful. Okay. Enough! Oh no! Love it! That's the end of this video. My next video is going to be Disney related. Disney small shops, Disney haul in general from different places, but a lot of it was small shops. So come back to watch that. Thanks for watching and see you next time.